So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two replacement mop pads. So this is the one made by Swiffer. These are the ones by Turboprop mops. These are, you can put these in the washing machine. These are reusable. These are simply, you're going to use it for a while, then you're going to end up throwing it away. So with these, it's got this side here. This is the side that does the cleaning. And on this one, this is like a microfiber side. So this one does a good job of trapping the stuff. So does this one, but I really do like that I can reuse these. Here I've got like a Velcro side. This isn't a true Velcro, but it's kind of like some big things that stick into it. And on this side, this is what it's going to stick to right here. So on these, and you're going to do this on the floor, simply press your foot. You can kind of lightly step on those and then they're attached. You can see, taking them off is real easy. This one, same thing. This microfiber side is going to go down. This with the tag is going to go up. Same thing. You're just going to press it on there. Just give it just a slight tap. It's going to stay on there. You're going to be able to clean everything. But again, the most important part is when I'm done, I can put these in the washing machine, take them off, and reuse them. I really do like that fact. Let's do some size comparisons real quick. So these are exactly 11 inches by 5.5 inches. These run about almost 11.5 inches by about 5.5 inches. So definitely this one is thicker. This one does a pretty good, they both do a good job. I just like being able to put them in the washing machine and reuse them. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.